Alright, next we go to the topic multiplication by power of t. Okay, multiplication by power of t, page 133. Okay, we know that the Laplace transform, it is the Laplace of the function t, it is equal capital F of s. Then when we need to apply the multiplication by power of t, so it will become the Laplace of the t power n ft, it is equal -1 power n, and then multiply with the derivatives of the power n of capital F of s. Okay, what is n? N refer to the power of t. Okay, n is referred to the power of t. Okay, let's say we have a Laplace of t ft, t multiply with function t. Okay, so it is equal -1. Okay, it is equal -1. What is n? N, we know that power of t, this one, it is 1. So -1 power 1, and then the derivatives of the Laplace function of t. What is derivative? That means we need to differentiate of the Laplace of function of t. What is Laplace of the function of t? It is -1 differentiate differentiate with the capital F of s. Okay, the Laplace of the function t, it is capital F of s. So we need to differentiate this one. Okay, if we have a Laplace t power 2 function t, it is equal what? -1 power 2, because we have n is power 2 here. Then we need to calculate the derivatives with power 2 of the Laplace of function t. Okay, that means what? Okay, apa yang power 2 here? That means we need to differentiate twice. Okay, differentiate twice of what? Of the capital F of s. The Laplace of function t, it is equal capital F of s. Okay, you faham na? Concept multiplication by power of t. Okay, so look at example 4.15. Example 4.15. Okay, yang kat bawah tu, notes awak tu. Let's say we have a question for question A. The Laplace of t times with exponent 2t. Okay, I bring the function t in front. Okay, the t is in front. I bring in front so that you guys can see the concept here. Okay, so it is equal, okay, -1. What is formula? -1 power n. And then the derivatives with power n here. The derivatives of what? The derivatives of the function t, of the Laplace of the function t. Okay, so we know that n is what? Okay, refer with the power of t. We know that power of t is 1. So n equals to 1 here. What is function of t? Function of t, it is exponent 2t here. Okay, look at the formula here. T power of n multiply with function of t. Okay, so we have t power of n, where n is 1, and then function of t is exponent 2t. Okay, so what is the Laplace of function t? That means this one, -1, where n is 1. Okay, then we need to differentiate the Laplace or the exponent 2t. Okay. So what is the Laplace of the exponent 2t? We know that in general, exponent, the Laplace of exponent power at, it is equal 1 over s minus a, right? Okay, this is general form of the Laplace of the exponent power at. It is equal 1 over s minus a. So this is fs, okay, capital F of s. That means negative 1, okay, or negative, okay, ds, differentiate Laplace negative differentiate Laplace exponent 2t. It is 1 over s minus 2, where a is 2 here. Alright, can you see this? Ni nampak nah? Dia faham nah? So this one we need to differentiate. Okay. And then what? Differentiate differentiate 1 over s minus 2. Okay. This one. Okay. We need to bring to the top. Okay. So it is easier to differentiate. So negative d ds. S minus 2 power negative 1. Okay. And then differentiate. How to differentiate this one? Okay, remember? Negative, okay. This one negative, you need to bring in front. So it will become negative 1. And then S minus 2. Negative 1, we need to plus 1. Sorry, minus 1. Negative 1 minus 1, we get negative 2. Okay. And then what? Negative, it should be positive. S minus 2 power negative 2. S minus 2 power negative 2. This power, okay, we need to make it in positive. So we need to bring it down. Okay, bring to the bottom. It will be 1 over S minus 2 power 2. So this is the answer. Okay. You found now? If ada yang tak faham konsep differentiate yang ni, okay, kita recall balik. Okay, kita recall balik. Let's say we have a 2x minus 1. Okay, let's say we have x minus 1 power n. Okay, that means n is power, right? So nak differentiate this one, n bring in front, multiply with x minus 1, and then n you should minus 1, n minus 1, and then differentiate this one, okay, with respect to x. Okay, differentiate x, we get 1. So the answer is n x minus 1, n minus 1 here. Okay, let's say we have 2x here. Let's say, okay, so n bring in front, multiply with 2x minus 1, n minus 1. Okay, this is how to differentiate. Okay, and then differentiate yang dalam ni. Differentiate to x, we get 2. Differentiate negative 1, it is 0. Therefore, 2 times n, we get 2n. 2x minus 1, n minus 1. Alright? You found now? Concept differentiate with this one. Okay. Negative 1 bring in front. S minus 2. Okay, multiply with S minus 2. Negative 1 minus 1, we get negative 2. And then differentiate S. Okay, differentiate with respect to S. Differentiate S, we get 1 here. Alright? So, it is still negative 1 multiply with S minus 1 power negative 2. Alright? You found now? Okay, look at question B. Alright, question B. we have a Laplace of t square exponent 2t. Okay, so the formula is -1 power n ds with power n of the Laplace of the function t. Okay, so we know that what is n? N is, okay, refer to the power of t, which is 2. N is 2. Okay, n is 2. Okay, what is function t? Function t is exponent 2t. Okay, so therefore -1 power what? Power 2. Okay, d power 2 ds power 2, the Laplace of exponent 2t. Alright, and then so -1 square, it is positive, so d square ds square, the Laplace of exponent 2t, it is 1 over s minus 2. Okay, refer on your table. Alright, and then differentiate this one. That means we need to differentiate twice, okay, because we have a power 2 here. Alright, so s minus 2 we need to bring to the top, so it will become the d square ds square s minus 2 -1. Okay, then you will get, okay, this one is based on from question A. You will get d ds -1 over s minus 2 power 2, right? Okay, how can I get this? Okay, based on from question A, d ds, okay, yang ni saya tunjuk kat sebelah ni, d ds s minus 2 power -1, this one. Okay, yang ni, from this one I differentiate this one. Okay, -1 bring in front, and then multiply with s minus 2, -1 minus 1 we get -2, differentiate s we get 1. So the answer is -1, s minus 2 power -2, we need to bring to the bottom, s minus 2 power 2. There you go. Okay, you faham konsep dia? Ini set short form. Okay, this one is from the answer question A. Okay, and then we need to differentiate again. Differentiate again. That means we need to bring this one to the top. So it will become d ds negative. Okay, negative this one bring, you need to take out. Okay, take out the negative. Okay, so it will become s minus 2 power -2. Okay, -1 ni, okay, take out the negative. Okay, take out the negative so that it is easier to you to differentiate. Okay, nampak tak? And then differentiate this one. Ini saya padam dah. Okay, that means negative d ds s minus 2 power -2. So differentiate, you will get -2 bring in front. Okay, multiply with s minus 2. -2 minus 1 we get -3. Differentiate s we get 1. Okay, and then negative, it should be positive 2 over, okay, s minus 2 power -3. We need to bring to the bottom, s minus 2 power 3. So this is the answer. Alright, boleh faham no? What about C? Okay, question C. question C, we have a Laplace of t cos 2t. It is equal negative 1 power 1 d ds power n, the Laplace of the function t. Okay, where n equals to 1. Okay, because we have a t power 1 here. Okay, and then function t, it is equal cos 2t. So we know that the Laplace of the function t, it is cos 2t, right? So what is the result? Okay, from your table, what is the result? The Laplace of the cos 2t. It means cos at, it is equal s over s square plus e square, right? Okay, therefore negative 1 power 1 differentiate the Laplace of what? The Laplace of cos 2t. So we know that the Laplace of cos 2t, it is s over s square plus e square. E square is 2. E is 2, right? So 2 square is 4. Then we need to differentiate this one. So how to differentiate this one? As you can see, this is division, right? So we need to use the concept quotient rule. Okay, differentiate using the quotient rule. Okay, this one is u, this one is v. Remember? Okay, quotient rule, division concept. Okay, so negative. Okay, by using formula v u prime minus u v prime divided by v square. Okay, this is the formula for the quotient rule. Okay, so negative, what is v? V is s square plus 4. Multiply with u prime. What is u? U is s. So differentiate s, we get 1. Minus u. What is u? U is s. Multiply with v prime. V is s square plus 4. Differentiate s square, we get 2s. Differentiate 4, we get 0. Okay, and then divided by v square. S square plus 4 power 2. Okay, dia faham dah setakat ni? And then what? You need to solve. Okay, negative s square plus 4. Okay, minus s times 2s, we get negative 2s square. Right? And s square plus 4 power 2. Okay, you nampak ah? So sorry, ada lighting kat situ. Okay, and then what? You need to solve. S square minus 2s square. Okay, s square minus 2s square. S square, it is, we have a volume 1 here. So 1 minus 2, we get negative s square, right? So it is negative. We have negative here. Okay, negative. And then s square, 1 minus 2s square. Okay, s square minus 2s square, we get negative s square plus 4 divided by s square plus 4 power 2. Right? And then negative, it should be positive. Okay, negative times positive, it is negative 4 divided by s square plus 4 power 2. So this is the answer. Alright, dia faham dah konsep dia for concept multiplication by power of t. Alright, tak faham boleh tanya dalam WhatsApp, okay?